I'm just making this as a 1 serving oatmeal. Good morning, guys. I have just woken up. As you can tell, my hair is curly. Don't have any makeup on. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I am working from home for the week. As you guys know, we're all in quarantine and we're all required to stay home. This is the first official week that my workplace has decided to let all their employees work from home. So it is a little bit later than all the other countries, but our government's taking it the way that they want to take it. So yeah, this is the first week that I am working from home officially. I still used to work from home a few days, maybe like once a week before, just to, you know, break the habit and just break the routine of going to work every day. So last night we actually got the message to work from home indefinitely, so that's what I'm doing. Thought I'll show you guys what that looks like. And as you can tell, I'm trying to go all natural with like everything because I am at home. I don't need to be outside anywhere. No one needs to see what I look like. So when it's not straightened, this is what my hair looks like. It's quite curly, it's quite wavy, as you can tell. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and no makeup obviously because I'm working from home and I don't like wearing makeup. So let's go make some breakfast. Got to make sure that we're taking our vitamins as well. This is just some vitamin C chewable tablets. I basically have this as a dessert. It's just so yummy. I have like 2 of these a day. I've also got Armor Force as well. This is basically immunity boosting sort of supplement, and it's good for upper respiratory symptoms. Alrighty, so I'm making my oatmeal now. So this is what you'll need: some oat milk, oats, you need some cinnamon sugar, got peanut butter here, got 1 apple and a banana. I'm just making this as a 1 serving oatmeal, so let's go. Here's what I've got so far. My apple's chopped up and the banana all mashed up. Alright, as you can see, I've just got a little bit of water in there. I'm now going to add in some of my oat milk. That should be enough. So we've got that on the foil. Taking my cinnamon now. As you can see, it's starting to look a little bit creamier, so I'm just going to go in and add the oats. Adding in half a cup of oats in here. Also just added my banana in here as well. Our oatmeal is looking ready. As you can see, all the water and milk is being absorbed. It's ready. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick overview of what my desk space looks like. So I've got my monitor here. This is the external monitor. I thought it was just really handy to get one because I can't be working on this little laptop all the time. So got this, didn't have a stand for it, so I've just stacked up some books. These are my old university books, so that's what I've stacked up there. I've got a printer there, which it does work, but I don't need to use it. I've got my MacBook here because I feel like the work laptop, in case I need to check up on the news, etc., it doesn't really show up properly on there. So I like having this with me, my phone. I've got my mouse pad here, I've got a mouse here, and got my water bottle, handy trusty water bottle, my green tea that I just made. This is my work laptop. This is my work notebook. I've got a pen here, a highlighter, got my oatmeal here, which I'm so excited to try, and tissue box, a lamp, and that's my view. So I forgot to mention that I've actually also got my personal diary here with me, my phone charger. This is actually my work phone, so this is this, and I've got my glasses here as well. So let's get started. Working from home look, but I just had my oatmeal and it tastes amazing, so good, and with my green tea as well. I'm just so glad that we are able to work from home and really taking advantage of working from home, because it just means that I have a lot more time for myself. I'm able to wake up on my own accord. I can make my breakfast, not just make a smoothie. I can make something a bit more elaborate, something a bit more filling, warm and hearty. And I can spend that extra 15-20 minutes preparing for my breakfast and just enjoying it, sitting down, making my green tea as well. So I really do enjoy that. This is my lunch for today. I'm having a pasta which I made a few days ago. I will show you guys how I make this tonight because it's absolutely delicious. It's a spicy, creamy veggie pasta, so I'll show you guys how to make that. I've got some cucumbers cut up there, and I've just got some avocado, and this is my lunch. Hey guys, so just finished up with work. I am finally done for the day. It is 5:30 and I'm just gonna clock off now and get into my activewear and do a little bit of a workout with my brother. This is where I'm going to be working out. My backyard, it's quite big. brother with the DIY weights. No weights, no worries. These are 2 bags of rice on a broomstick. Good job. ready. So I've just got some peanut butter with some jam, or jelly in America as I believe you guys like to call it, on just some green toast, and I've got my green tea. Alrighty, so just having some lunch. I've just got some white rice, and this is a chicken curry that my mum made. It's got some capsicum, chicken, onion, and like it's Indian spices. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that while I continue working.